How to send messages to the man I like. They met and immediately the attraction and sexual tension felt in the environment. They have exchanged numbers and it is time to see who takes the first step. It may be you or it may be him. The important thing is to try to convey the message we want and not send confusing and wrong signals to that person. That is why we give you some clues so that you can discover how to send messages to the man you like without screwing up. 1. To start, give time to the matter. Do not take the first step immediately, because if he has given you the number that same night and when you get home you are already sending him a warm goodnight message, whether you want it or not, what you are showing is that you are desperate for a relationship, and that scares most men. You may like him, but take it easy and wait a few days at least. 2. If you decide to take the first step of sending the message, do it with confidence. Say hello and avoid phrases like, "Do you remember me?" or "We met the other night." A simple, "Hello, how are you?" is simple enough to start the conversation. 3. Avoid messages that are too long or complex, that is, don't get involved. "This morning going to work I saw a red car and I thought of you because you told me that you had a red car, so I told myself I will write to see how you are. How was your week?" No, nothing better than naturalness, a brief greeting message to start the conversation. 4. Do not insist. If after sending 2 messages he does not answer you, do not continue to insist anymore. The fact that you have exchanged numbers does not necessarily mean that you are going to meet again, and the last thing you can afford is to look like someone desperate or as a stalker. He may not answer you at that moment because he is busy, but if he is interested he will really do it, have no doubt about it. 5. Send the message and leave the mobile to continue with your activities. Do not be anxiously waiting for an immediate response, because all you will get is to end with your nerves. Send the message and leave the mobile to continue with your activities. Again, if he is interested he will respond. If he makes contact with you, don't respond quickly and desperately, think what you will say and take your time to answer calmly. 6. No compromising messages or phrases with feelings that are still too early to express. "I spent the other night with you as never before with someone I had just met." This type of sentences will most likely make the other feel surprised and in some cases frightened. Go calmly, not because of being so honest you will get him to notice you more. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.